Hey Pectus Warriors, so in this video what we're going to do is test your ability to engage your inner chest muscle fibers. A primary premise of my training is developing the whole chest and particularly really filling out your chest so your inner chest pops. And something that people don't do is they don't do movements to really target the inner chest muscle fibers, which for a lot of people results in their pecs being developed out here and nothing in there. It's when we develop the pecs around the indent that really makes it less noticeable. But what I found is a lot of people can't get that mind to muscle connection with their inner chest. So we're going to do a really quick test that you can do at home. All you need is like a 20-pound dumbbell and some 5-pound plates, and you can test whether you can really feel that pump and feel like you can grow muscle in your inner chest. Now, we can only grow muscle where there's muscle, right? So we can't grow muscle in the sternum where there is no muscle inserting. You'll see where your muscle's inserting. You can really identify that point. And when you fill out around there, it makes a real big difference to your indent. So for the test, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing firstly push-ups with a 3-second down, 3-second up tempo for as many reps as possible, going to failure. And when you do the push-ups, don't be really close in, but don't be really far out. Close in will be triceps, far out will be like your anterior shoulder. We want to be about in the middle, and we want to be thinking about our chest, having that mind to muscle connection, engaging your chest, engaging the inner chest muscle fibers. All starts with the mind to muscle connection. And so going slow with a tempo is going to help you really focus on that. So do as many reps as possible in that 3-0-3-0 tempo, keeping that good form. Once you hit failure, you can't do another rep. Then you're going to go on to a 1-arm low dumbbell fly. This is one of my Pectus specialized exercises that I program for my more experienced clients. If you're watching this as a beginner, then you may not be able to do this and really feel that inner chest muscle pump, because you need to have established a bit of mind to muscle connection and chest tissue to really feel this and be able to coordinate it and do it properly. But as you can see, as I'm doing it, I'm really trying to target and feel the inner chest muscle fibers recruiting, okay? And I'm putting my other hand, the non-working hand, on my inner chest to really feel that recruitment, okay? So for this, we want to do about 10 to 12 reps each side at a challenging weight, going close to failure as well. So for me, I'm doing about 25-pound dumbbell to achieve that. And so once I do that on both sides, I'm really starting to feel that pump myself. Now we've done the tempo, we've done the 1-arm low dumbbell fly. Now we're going to go back to push-ups, and we're going to do as many reps as possible just at a normal pace. Completely burn out the chest here, do as many as you can do. You should really be feeling your chest pump. Once you hit that failure point on the push-ups, then you're going to stand up, you're going to get 2 5-pound plates, and you're going to squeeze them together and push out, okay? And you're going to hold that contraction for as long as you can. And I want you to actively think about the chest contracting and squeezing them as hard together. Chest has 2 functions, pressing and adducting. So adding weight to the midline is what adducting is. So by squeezing the plates together and having them pressed out, we're holding this isometric contraction on the chest and really utilizing and feeling those inner chest muscle fibers to engage. So you hold that until failure. Then, once you hit failure, your chest should be pumped. And you should really feel the inner chest muscle fibers are pumped right around the indent. Now I encourage you to go look in the mirror, flex, squeeze your chest, and you should feel and see what it starts to look like when you're developing your chest and how that makes your pectus look better. Flex your chest, flex your abs, look at how good your physique can be. And now let's start working on that flexed, that pumped physique being your relaxed physique. When I started training, I would always flex in the mirror afterwards, and it would get me excited for the progress that I can make. And now I'm at a point where I do have abs and I develop chest even when I'm relaxed, when I'm not pumped, when I'm not flexing. So this is a good simple test to see if you can get that mind to muscle connection, see if you can really feel that chest pump, and see for yourself the result that it has on your pectus. Now just imagine a year of consistent training, how much you can develop your chest, how much you can change your pectus. Okay, the results are significant. Like honestly, it's crazy. So thanks guys. If you're interested in signing up to the program and you want to get your results fast and no longer just do random exercises and actually make a change, then it's an awesome time to do so with the 2023 Transformation Challenge. Links in the description to apply for that, book a strategy call with me, and then we can get you going.